In this video today we will discuss regarding tuple. So tuple is an important topic inside the C sharp. So why we to need use tuple? So let's start. So tuple in simple words we can say like tuple useful when you need to pass a data set as a single parameter of a method without using a wrap out parameter. So it's like if you are reference out parameter, basically we are using to return multiple value from a single from a method. So now what happen, like suppose that we have one method, so we can return a single value only method, but I want to return multiple value from one method. So in case we have to use an out and wrap parameter, right? So auto wrap parameter. So now in C sharp introduce a new feature tuples. Tuples we can return multiple value from a method with help of the tuples. So in the last line the mention here provide easy access to menu and manipulation of data sets, right? And second thing, you can see that here C sharp support tuples with up to 7 element, right? So in simple words we can return more than up to 7 value from a method, right? So it's alternative of out and wrap keyword, and it's easy to use and manipulate, right? And simply it's we can return up to 7 element values by tuples, right? Interview point of view, also it's very important question. Interviewer mostly ask like tell us what is the difference of out and wrap and tuples, what's the difference between. And some interviewer ask like why we need to use tuples, right, over the ref and out, correct? That time you can convey tuples help us to return up to 7 elements, right? And it's written just like a data sets and we can easily manipulate, right? That's it. So you can say like that. Okay, so let's move in code side. So let's open Visual Studio. So in Visual Studio you can see that here I have written one method. So this method, right, this method, this is my API controller. In this my API controller I written here simply tuple, and I use here three different variable, like one to have string, one is int get tuple method, right? So and define where author is equal to new tuple, and I define here three different types of data type, and I pass the value here Mahesh programming C sharp 2002, right? And I return the value of author, correct? I hope you understood what I'm trying to say here. The use of tuple, so simply you can use tuple like that, like simply define the tuple and the data type and the method name, and you can define the value inside the tuple and simply return, correct? And now move to the in code side, sorry, in browser side. Let me run this application, rerun simply. There have a run option, click on this one. Now browser is loading, just second. So now the my API it's showing here get my API. So simply click on my API, right? So let's there have tried it out now. So there have one option execute, correct? If you see here the methods come here, my hit function f10, just second, and function f10. If you see here the value inside the author showing Mahesh and programming C sharp 202, right? So just return authors and click on continue, and you can see the result here also. API, what API written here, you can see here response body, right? So data come inside the response body and status showing 200, correct? After calling to the tuples. I hope I hope you understood what I'm trying to hear, how to use the tuples in C sharp and the benefit to use the tuples, right? Now, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this video.